Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ellen's Badwa. Gagawa tayo ng ensaladang labong. Maglalagay lang tayo ng cucumber, onion, pickled onion, tapos kamatis, and the bamboo shoots. And some carrots also. At saka pigaan mo lang siya ng kalamansi guys. Lagyan lang din ng paminta, asukal, kalamansi para pambalance, pampasarap, pampaasim, at saka paminta, asin. Ganyan lang siya guys, kasimple. Lagay lang lahat ng mga ingredients, tapos cilantro o kaya parsley, tapos halu-haluin lang ng ganyan, mix. Very simple lang guys, ganyan lang siya kasimple at ilagay na sa platter. At ayan, tapos na siya guys. Yung labong pala, nilagan natin yon. And then this is it. Enjoy guys.